Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we're making sugar-free jam. No sweetener, no honey, no chia seed. Our ingredients are mango, nectarine, peach, apple, ginger, blueberry, lemon zest. Watermelon is our sweet ingredient. Banana is the sweetest. Depending how sweet you want your jam to be, you might want to add or reduce on banana. Fresh prunes would have been good for sweetness also. Start off by grating your watermelon. The reason we start with watermelon is because we want to remove the seeds before we can grate in the rest of the fruit. Grate nectarine. You'll notice we're grating the skin also. We don't want to miss out on the nutrients that is on the skin since we're going to cook the fruit. Grate peach. Grate apple. Grate ginger very thin so that it's not chewy, and throw away the residue that gets stuck on the grater. Grate lemon zest. You might want to grate it very thin also. Grate banana last so that it doesn't turn brown. Throw in your blueberry and mash it. Or just chop and throw. Transfer your fruit cocktail into a white bottom pot or pan and bring to a boil. The aim is to reduce the liquid. Frequently stir with a flat spatula to avoid sticking at the bottom of the pot. You get a thick consistency as the water reduces. Keep stirring on medium heat. You know your jam is done when you get a shiny look and sticky consistency like this. You may switch off the stove and scoop your jam into bottles. Now your jam is ready. Bon appetit. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you for watching my video.